Subscribe Dr. Sadiq Mathematics channel for getting more online videos. Evaluate triple integral of v dx dy dz, where v is the volume bounded by the planes x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1, and cylinder x square plus y square that is equal to 1. How to find volume by using triple integration. Today we discuss problems on volume. What friends? Problems on volume. Let us say the problem. Evaluate triple integral over v dx dy dz, where v is the volume bounded by the planes x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1. Cylinder x square plus y square that is equal to 1. See friends, here 2019. Okay, so this is previous year question. So important problem friends. Let us do. Solution. Write the given data friends. So given triple integral v dx dy dz. Now what he says here, bounded by the planes. Okay, so given here the planes. What are the planes here friends? What are the planes? Come on, tell me where is the plane? X is equal to 0 is represent a plane in 3 dimension friends. In 3 dimension, x is equal to 0 represents the plane. Similarly, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1. Okay, in 3 dimension, x square plus y square that is equal to 1 represent a cylinder. Okay, right, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1, and x square plus y square that is equal to 1. How x is equal to 0 represents a plane, and y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1, and how it represents x square plus y square that is equal to 1 represents a circle. Let us say geometrically in 3 dimension friends. Say here. Okay, let us explain. Let me explain. In 3 డైమెన్షన్లో ఈ బౌండెడ్ రీజియన్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తున్నానండి. యాక్చువల్గా జామెట్రికల్గా అవసరం లేదు, బట్ మీకు ఇలా చేస్తే ప్రాబ్లం చాలా ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకే, మన బౌండెడ్ రీజియన్ 3 డైమెన్షన్లో ఎలా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, జనరల్గా ప్లేన్ అంటాడు. వాట్ ఈస్ ప్లేన్? నో బడీ అండర్స్టాండ్ అండి. ఓకే, రైట్. లెట్ us see geometrically here. See friends, here this is x axis. Okay, clear? Say here, or you observe here, this is y axis, and clearly this is y axis. Now what he says here, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 is which plane friends? Exactly yz plane. See here, this is xy plane. So what is yz plane friends? This is yz. So this brown color is yz plane. So this is x is equal to 0. Okay, x is equal to 0. And then y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means xz plane. See, xz plane. So this green color. See friends, this is plane. This is called plane here friends. So this is y is equal to 0. And then z is equal to 0. See, where is z is equal to 0? In xy plane. See here, this is z is equal to 0. And z is equal to 1. See, this is z is equal to 1. And then here x square plus y square that is equal to 1. It represents a cylinder. Where is cylinder friends? See here. It represents a cylinder. So this is x square plus y square that is equal to 1. Okay, this is a geometrical interpretation friends. Now where is our bounded region? What it says, bounded region. Okay, where is the boundary region between z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1? Here, I think here friends. I think here. Okay, right. Now to evaluate this integration easily, I want to convert into cylindrical coordinates. Okay friends, దీన్ని ఈజీగా ఎవాల్యుయేట్ చేయడానికి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ దేనిలో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నానండి, సిలిండ్రికల్ కోఆర్డినేట్స్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాను. సో రైట్ హియర్ చేంజ్ ఇన్ cylindrical coordinates. What are the cylindrical coordinates? Anybody? Exactly, x is equal to r cos theta, okay, y is equal to r sin theta, of course we can take phi also, and z is equal to z. Now cylindrical coordinates means r theta z, r phi z. Okay, we can take any coordinate friend. So this triple integration becomes here triple integral over v, okay, dx dy dz, that is equal to triple integral, okay, r dr d theta and dz. Okay, this is, okay, triple integral r dr d theta dz. How we get r friends? What is r? If you don't know, watch the video change of variable. Okay, this is Jacobian value and this value is here in cylindrical coordinates, the value is r friends. Okay, finally here triple integral, not double integral, triple integral r dr d theta dz friends. Okay, now it is enough to know here friends the limits of r theta and z. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం తెలిస్తే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేసాను, ఆర్ థీటా జెడ్ తెలిస్తే, లిమిట్స్ తెలిస్తే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో లిమిట్స్ clearly z limits are z is equal 0 to z is equal to 1. Okay, clearly it is z is equal 0 to z is equal to 1. Now how you find the limits of r and theta? Okay, how do you find here? It is very difficult. How do you find r and theta here? It is difficult. So I am going to discuss in 2 dimension. Okay, in 2 dimension. Let us draw x axis and y axis friends. X axis and y axis. Okay, here actually it is cylinder in 3 dimension, but x square plus y square is equal to 1 represents a, exactly it represents a circle. Okay, or with the projection is circle friends. Circle, draw a circle. What is circle radius here? 1. Okay, 1, minus 1 and minus 1. Now what he says, bounded planes. Clearly given x is equal to 0, where x is equal to 0? At y axis. So this is x is equal to 0. Okay, and then y is equal to 0, where y is equal to 0? At x axis. So this is y is equal to 0. So our bounded region is only first quadrant. So I want to draw a wedge friends here, wedge. This is called wedge. If you don't know, see the change double integration in polar coordinates, there you understand friends clearly. So draw a wedge here. So what is r limits here? Here starts from here. So r is equal to 0. Up to here r is equal to 1. Now you turn the wedge from x axis to y axis because it is first quadrant. So here at x axis theta value is 0 and y axis theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta value pi by 2. So clear the limits are r is equal to 0 to r is equal to 1 and theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay, these limits are very important friends to evaluate this integration. Okay, if you done any mistake here, the problem goes. Okay, లిమిట్స్ మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం కనుక రాంగ్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తే ప్రాబ్లం అనేది గో టు రాంగ్ అండి. ఓకే, వన్స్ అగైన్ లిమిట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయని చెప్తున్నానని. క్లియర్లీ z ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 to z ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1. ఓకే, అండ్ దెన్ ఇక్కడ హియర్ వీ కెనాట్ ఫైండ్ ద లిమిట్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో ఐ గో టు 2 dimension. In 2 dimension it represents a circle, so draw a circle. And what is bounded the planes. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Where x is equal to 0? At y axis, and y is equal to 0 is at x axis. So our bounded region is first quadrant. Our bounded region is first quadrant. So draw a wedge friends. It is polar coordinates, draw a wedge. So r is equal to 0, r is equal to 1. You turn the wedge from x axis, so theta is equal to 0 here, up to y axis, theta is equal to pi by 2. So in this way we get z, r and theta limits friends. Now write down triple integral r dr d theta dz, that is equal to integral. So theta limits 0 to pi by 2, r limits 0 to 1, z limits also 0 to 1. R, first you write z limits, and then r limits, so dr, this is theta limits, right, d theta. This is the order. Now what is our observation here? What is our observation here? We have only r, so we can integrate separately, like integral 0 to pi by 2 into d theta. Okay, here integral 0 to 1 into dr. Here we have r friends, so write here r. Now integral 0 to 1 dz. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ ఇక్కడ ఏమి లేవండి, ఇక్కడ r ఒకటే ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ సపరేట్గా చేసేయచ్చు. సో ఈ విధంగా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ సపరేట్ చేయవచ్చు. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ d theta is theta 0 to pi by 2. Okay, here integral of r is r square by 2 between limits 0 to 1. Integral of dz is z between 0 to 1. So that is equal to, substitute upper limit we get pi by 2, substitute lower limit the value is 0. Substitute upper limit we get 1 by 2, lower limit the value is 0. Substitute upper limit we get 1. So finally we get here pi into 1 is pi, 2 into 2 4. This is the volume of, okay, given bounded region. Once again friends, what is this triple integral over dx dy dz. He given the planes friends and cylinder. So this is geometrical interpretation friends, geometrical representation. This is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1, and this circle, so here the cylinder represents x square plus y square, that is equal to 1. Okay, clearly here our boundary region is here friends, between z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1. To evaluate this integration easily, we are converting into cylindrical coordinates. What is cylindrical coordinates? X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and z is equal to z. Now this triple integration can be written as triple integral of v dx dy dz, that is equal to triple integral r dr d theta dz. How we get r friends here? This is Jacobian value. If you don't know, please watch change of variable concept. What friends? Change of variable concept. Okay, here we are finding the limits of r theta z. So clearly here z limits are 0 to 1. Okay, z is equal to 0 to 1, and r limits friends, r is equal, clearly it is unit circle, in 2 dimension it is a circle, so r is equal to 0 to r is equal to 1. Now you turn the wedge from 0 to pi by 2. So simply I substitute the limits here and integrate separately, then we get the value pi by 4. This is the volume of the given problem. If you have any doubt in the problem, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.